like, you sure you want it off?
Yeah. It's getting better. Damn, that carton came out so good. So we have the washing machine drain line, we have the water hose line, and then we have the drip irrigation line, all in this trench right here in the front yard, by the kitchen. So we know where stuff is. This is just good, smart to remember it, because you forget this stuff. Mission accomplished. Thank you. Completed trimming my rose. Kevin started it and Lior finished it on a beautiful spring day. Okay, so this is the tree damage right now. Irene and Kevin came and did it the first time in the winter in the snow, and now we're trying to like just make it a little bit better. Or it came off, but now we're just gonna put it back again, and then hopefully what we need to do is just like fix the whole damn thing.